The city I am about to show you is the financial hub of Italy and the capital of Italian fashion. Yes, I am talking about Milan. The second most populous city in Italy has its own unique, vibrant culture you could feel once you are there. One obvious thing that you cannot ignore in this city is its arts and architecture. After all, it holds the value of history since the foundations of Milan around 600 BC. Unfortunately, during this COVID-19 pandemic crisis, things are a bit different and challenging. But still, I'm trying my best to make the most out of it. So right now I'm standing here in this famous mall here in Milan. I am not able to pronounce the name correctly probably, so I will leave the name just right here. This place has so many luxurious shops you can't even imagine. Quick note guys, if you guys are traveling during this time, they made it some weird rule. Some places might not accept this mask, so get this mask. So this is Duomo di Milano. And this church is so grand. I could literally feel the energy within it. Every part of this area is so decorated. It's like it's full of arts. During this COVID situation time, to be honest, Milan is not that busy. As you can see right behind me or around here in the city, there's not many people around here. So this COVID situation is not good for anyone. There's no doubt Italy is one of the best art country in the world. I could witness all those evidence of enriched civilizations throughout the time of history in every part of the city. So right now I'm here in Sportia Castle. So basically it is a medieval fortress. The thing is, fuck, it's Delhi is so hot, very, the temperature is super warm. I can't even bear this temperature anymore. So this is the last statue made by Michelangelo, and I wanted to go and see this statue, but during these COVID situations, museums are not open yet, so yeah, maybe next time. This is inside the Santa Maria della Grazia, and to see the Last Supper, that's in the other side, and it's not open. I checked it, and we cannot get in. I had only 2 days to spend in Milan, which is not enough time for this cultural rich giant city. So I did all those usual stuff like any other tourist does. You know, exploring monuments, riding around in local bus, trams, and obviously searching for foods. Woo, it's hot, baby, hot. I just had a chat with some local people, and they are also fed up with the lockdown, and like me, they are trying to get away from the Milan. So, and I asked them a couple of suggestions, where should I go in Milan, and their answer is everything is closed right now. Fuck, it's hot. Whew. The temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius. Can you believe it? This temperature is getting ridiculous. Milan's climate is similar to much of northern Italy's inland plains, with hot, humid summers and cold, foggy winters. During winter, daily average temperature can fall below 0 degrees Celsius. In summer, temperature could reach above 30 degrees Celsius. And today is one of those hot days. Cazzo, it's so hot. Now I feel better. Personally speaking, this is my very first time in Italy. I am starting my journey to northern parts of Italy from this city. Overall, I am full of energy just to be here and super excited for the rest of my trip. I can't wait to show you the most naturally beautiful landscape of Italy in upcoming episodes. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because what you're about to see in upcoming episodes are just magical. So today was an extremely hot day. I had to go back to hotel and take a shower. Now this is evening time and it's time to drink and eat some food. Even in night time it looks stunning, right? I'm filming in a GoPro, so I cannot zoom in, but I would have shown you the glass inside. It still is shining inside the church. I can literally see with my bare eyes. Right now I'm here with my friend from hotel. So basically we are planning to go in the place. It's called Navigli canal. So it's basically to near canal. So just to find the directions we are struggling a lot. So now I hope we are in the right tram. Welcome to Navigli district. This is the place where we're gonna, me and my buddy from hotel, we're gonna spend the night today. If you are ever coming to Milan, this could be your perfect place for the romantic, you know, time spending here. Obviously I need to find someone to do some romantic dinner here in Navigli canal. My buddy is looking for someone as well. Is that true, Paolo? Yeah. But I am not sure how we're gonna find a partner like this, especially when I'm constantly wearing a mask. But yeah, this is beautiful canal here in Milan. So let's find something to eat.